Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original design. This is the Party Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm just going to come over and put a dimple in. Bring the skinny end over the front. I'm up and over like this. I'm going to come down and around. And then back down, up and over like this. I'm going to open up this loop right here. I'm going to do a wreath. I'm going to bring this through here. I'm going to leave part of it poking out the back like that. I'm going to continue to do a wreath and then come down like so. So you have that little part hanging out down the bottom there. Then we have this part right up here. I'm going to fold it in half like so. And this is a move that Linwood Darkus and Boris Mocha have done a lot. Right, like that. Then I'm going to come over the top, still fold it in half like this. So then what I'm going to then do, we have this wreath right up here. I'm going to come through underneath this after doing another wreath right here. And then I'm going to have it tuck underneath here like this. Put my collar down. You know to find this picture of this knot on my Instagram, Simmonsessentials. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.